Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Lexus Certified Pre-Owned units. It is a 2016 RX 350 luxury package in the caviar finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low-mileage, local Calgary car with a clean, accident-free Carproof. Some of the features include LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights, headlamp washers, LED fog lights, front and rear park assist sensors, blind spot monitor with a rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, power liftgate, heated steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, heated and ventilated front seats, gray Sapel wood with aluminum, drive mode select, sunroof, black interior, in great shape, manual sunshades, heated rear seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.